watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, we are up with the fourth part of German Prefix Verb. Yes guys, this will be the fourth part. If you have earlier third part, then I will be putting link here. Make sure to watch the earlier 3 episodes. This is gonna be the fourth part. And the prefix here is AUF. Yes guys, you have heard right. So make sure to watch this video till end, and in this video we're gonna cover all the verbs which are having prefix with auf, with examples and lots of examples, because example is a key to master any grammar topic in German, or maybe in, I think so, in every and each subject. So yes, make sure to watch till end and subscribe German Gyan. If you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online classes, offline classes, teacher training program, exam preparation, module practice, brush up classes, like whatever you can think around German. German Gyan provides you each and everything. It's a one-stop solution just for you. We'll catch you in the end one. Let's start the video. I'm excited.
Let's start with the fourth episode of learning different verbs with the same prefix. This time we are using the prefix AUF. So let's start with the video. The first verb is aufstehen, means to stand up or to get up. For example, ich stehe jeden Morgen 7 Uhr auf, means I get up every morning at 7 o'clock. Aufhören means to stop or to cease. For example, kannst du bitte aufhören zu reden, means can you please stop talking. Means can you please stop talking. Next verb is aufmachen, means to open. For example, a door or a window. So the example is macht die Tür auf, means he opens the door. Next verb is aufpassen, means to pay attention or to watch out. For example, pass auf, der Bus kommt, means watch out, the bus is coming. Aufwachen means to wake up. For example, ich wache jeden Tag 6 Uhr auf, means I wake up every day at 6 o'clock. Aufräumen means to tidy up. For example, sie räumt ihr Zimmer auf, means she is tidying up her room. Aufnehmen means to record or to take in. For example, wir nehmen die Musik auf, means we are recording the music. Aufgeben means to give up or to abandon. For example, gibt nicht auf, egal was passiert, means he doesn't give up no matter what happens. Aufklären means to clarify or to enlighten. For example, der Lehrer klärt die Schüler über das Thema auf, means the teacher clarifies the topic to the students. The last verb is aufteilen, means to divide or to split. For example, wir teilen das Geld auf, means we divide the money. So these were the different verbs with the same prefixes. Now drop the comment in the comment section if you still face any problem related to these words or with any other grammar topic. We will be making the video soon. Cheers!
So guys, how was this fourth episode? I hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you in the fifth one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.